Hello, 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 hello. Welcome. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Welcome to Winners Live. Hello. Ayan, mga kaibigan, nandito na tayo muli sa isang magandang hapon, oportunidad para sa lahat. Well, my name is Ricky Torres and I'm your host again for today or this afternoon. And this is Winners Life Business Preview. Let's proceed, guys. Our company is Winners Life International Incorporated. And this is our website, winnerslife.com.ph. And this company is a multi-awarded company. Yan. When it comes to legality, you have nothing to worry. We are registered under Securities and Exchange Commission, DTI. Our products are approved by FDA, Halal and GMP certified as well. Alright. Ayan po. By the way, shoutout muna tayo sa isa nating kasamahan who just received our check 100,000 plus for 1 month. Congratulations, Jehan. So let me introduce to you once again our board of directors. Starting from our left, our executive vice president is Mr. Ronald Chu. Of course, our president, Mr. Leo Lopez. Our VP for Finance, Naida Erpe. Our chairman of the board, Manessa Sapnet. VP for Operations on the extreme right is Mr. J.R. Arjona. And last but not the least, yours truly, I'm the one in charge of training and development, ang inyong lingkod, Ricky Torres po. Na bumabati once again ng isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Panalong buhay po. We have more than combined experience in the industry. Siguro po nasa mga 40, 50, 60 years na po. So, you can be assured of your direction with this company that will truly bring you to a life of a winner. Again, we will be talking about our dreams, our goals in life. These are just basic, but most of the Filipinos, especially every individual in fact, are looking to having their own car, cars, actually, travel the world, especially if it's for free. And most importantly, yung karapatan ng bawat isa ang magkaroon ng sariling tahanan at lupa. The question is, how are we going to achieve these things? Okay, if we just do ordinary things as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we offer you an opportunity. Even if you're just an ordinary person, you will actually be living an extraordinary life. We have a program we call the Winner's Life InstaPay Elite. The company, by the way, is engaged in distribution of different product lines from health, wellness, mga beauty products po. Guaranteed, effective, high potent, and the most important of all, it's affordability. Sobrang affordable po, kaya kahit ordinaryong tao may karapatan ng maging healthy. Okay? Kahit anong klaseng tao, kahit saan ka pagaling ng status ng buhay mo, mahalaga hindi lang kumita ng pera, kundi maging healthy ang katawan. Di ba? That's one of the main goals that we want to everyone, for everyone to really have yung access po para magkaroon ng magandang pangangatawan at the same time, gumanda ang kinabukasan. So, let me go back to the program that we are going to offer you. It's called Winner's Life InstaPay Elite. Yan po. So, ano po ba itong Winner's Life InstaPay Elite? Ang Winner's Life InstaPay Elite ay isang negosyo na kahit sinong tao, basta may pangarap umasenso, ay pwedeng gawin ito. Bakit po? Sa halagang 2,500 pesos lang po. Yes, you heard me right. For only 2,500. And this is not even a capital. This is not even an investment. This is basically a product purchase wherein dati ka nang bumibili ng mga produkto, but this time around, lalagyan natin ng sistema yung ginagawa mo. Dahil sa pagbili mo ng mga produkto, dati, ikaw lang ang lagi pinakakitaan. This time around, kasama ka ng kumpanya sa pag-asenso niya. Alright? And you will be enjoying soon the perks and benefits of being part of this program. Welcome to Winner's Life InstaPay Elite. Sa 2,500 mo, in fact, pwede kang kumita ng hanggang 198,000 pesos kada buwan. And on top of that, unti-unti po matutupad yung pangarap natin, mga sinabi ko kanina, katulad ng travel, cars, house, and lot. Actually, houses and lots. So, paano po ito mangyayari? So, I want you to have an open mind. Painggan mo lang maigi, internalize mo, dahil wala namang mawawala sa'yo. Pero pag ginawa mo to, sigurado tayong pagtutulungan natin ang pag-asenso mo. At kung hindi mo man magustuhan, at least kahit paano, nabigyan ka namin ng isang vision na pwedeng magbago ang kinabukasan kung sasabay ka lamang. Alright? So let's proceed, guys. Yung 2,500 mo ay isang package, no, na may babalik sa iyo yung kumpanya na sobra-sobra sa ilalabas mong pera. These are the options or the package options that you have to choose from for you to start doing the business with us. So the business basically is for free. What are you going to purchase here is the package or packages if you want many packages. Okay, pwede po. Hanggang 15 packages, you can do that. That will give you 15 business accounts. Okay, so let's continue. Tulad na lang itong package 1 po natin, nagkakahalaga po ito ng 3,000 pesos. Pero bibilin mo lang po siya ng 2,500. Lahat po ng product packages natin, any option ng piliin mo, 2,500 lang po ang ibabayad mo or pambibili mo. Pero ang ibabalik sa iyo, sometimes umaabot pa po ng 4,200 or even more. So we will be discussing the products probably after this or on our product presentation. But today we'll be discussing the opportunity on how to make money and get these rewards for free. Alright? So this is the first package. It's worth 3,000. Bibili mo lang ng 2,500. The second package po is worth 3,552. Again, bibili mo lang ng 2,500. Package number 3 option. This is one of the best options. Okay? Because 2.5 lang po ang ibabayad mo rito, ang ibabalik sa iyo ng company is worth 4,200 pesos. Then we have this other combination package of glutathione and Premier Organic Juice. 3,100 po yung value. Again, 2.5 mo lang siya bibilin. And package number 5, meron po tayong 3,160 value ng product package na to. Again, 2.5 mo lang siya bibilin. And the number 6 package is worth 2,900. 2.5 mo lang siya bibilin if you want to become physically fit and healthy. Yan, and sexy. Okay? So, meron din po tayong package number 7, a combination of barley, glutathione, and winner's flame worth 3,438. Again, babayaran mo lang po ng 2,500. And the 8th package is a combination of glutathione, grapeseed. Napakaganda po ng grapeseed, kaibigan. Pag-usapan po natin yan next time, including the Supermind, the memory booster. This is worth 3,220 lahat po. Again, bibili mo lang siya ng 2,500. And last but not the least is a combination of spirulina. It's a complete food supplement, okay? Together with glutathione. Again, it's valued at 2,760. Bibilin mo lang siya ng 2,517. So, kung nakikita nyo po lahat ng packages po natin, pagbili mo pa lang ng package, panalo ka na po. Malaki na po agad ang na-discount mo. What more, no? Pag makita mo ngayon yung kasunod na ipapakita ko dahil ito po ang siguradong magbabago ng kinabukasan mo. Alright, let's proceed. Are you all excited? Let's get started now. So, to give you a recap of what will be, no, your benefit, your privileges being part of this program. Automatic po upon purchase of the package, hindi ka na po talo dahil meron ka agad sobrang produkto na ibinirik sa'yo. So, wala pong nawala. Alright? So, ganun siya kaganda. In fact, naka-discount ka na siguro agad sa ating products ng mga 30 to 40%. Okay? But the good news is, being part of this program, one-time purchase lang ng package po. Lifetime ka na po namin magiging member. And once you become a member, you will be given your back office wherein you can monitor your own account in the internet with our system. Online back office. This will be your monitoring, inventory, warehousing, accounting, everything that you need to know about your business in real time. So we are very transparent, guys. Makikita mo po lahat ng sales, lahat ng mga tao, lahat ng income mo. You can even see if you are now qualified to claim your travel for free. You want to claim your cars. You want to claim now. Nakikita mo, oy, pwede ko na palang i-claim ang aking house and lot. Not even touching your income. Wow. How is that going to happen? So let's continue, guys. So ito pa isa pinakamagandang privilege being a member. You will be entitled to a lifetime discount of 50%. Yes, you heard me right. Upon purchase of the package one time, automatic po on your next purchases na kahit hindi na po package, kahit na po pa isa-isa patingi-tingi naman, kahit anong products na meron tayo, automatic po, you can avail of this product at 50% less. Doon pa lang po makikita mo, may negosyo na. So what else? So if it's your first time to do the business, you have no experience at all, you have nothing to worry because we have the support system for you. We're gonna be giving you free trainings, online and offline. In fact, tomorrow po may training po tayo. You are free to attend at 8:30 p.m. at the comfort of your home. No? So you would know how to do the business the right way. Unti-untiin mo po. Ituturo namin sa iyo step by step kung ano yung dapat mong gawin dito sa negosyo. Just watch, click, share, learn, and earn. Ganon siya kaganda. And of course, syempre, may mga kasama po itong mga marketing tools, materials. Kailangan mo lumaban ng gera. Dapat kompleto ka ng sandata. And we have yung mga perks na sooner or later, you are guaranteed to enjoy like our free travels. Free car, or rather cars. And the most important is yung ating libreng house and lot. Lahat po yan. Plus the business opportunity. Yan po. Sabog. Sigurado ang pag-asenso mo dito sa negosyo. Well, ang pwede mo kitain sa totoo lang unlimited income. Now, let's talk about how you're going to make money here. There are actually very realistic, 4 simple, straightforward, doable, achievable ways of earnings. No complications. Ganun siya kaganda, kaya kahit bata, kayang-kayang gawin. So, ano po ba itong mga to? Discuss this one by one. We have the direct selling, direct referral, paying bonus, and the cashback or unilevel bonus. On top of that, unti-unti yung mga rewards, yung mga perks na makukuha mo all for free. So, isa-isahin po natin to, guys. So, this is a very simple presentation na madali yung maintindihan. It will only take like less 30 minutes. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the presentation, guys, and let me show you the money. Number one, if you are the type of person who are into selling, alam mo na, maraming mga tao mahiling magbenta-benta. Bilib ako sa mga tao na galing sa Avon, Natasha, Sara Lee, palakpakan natin yung mga yan, mga masisipag. Lalo na yung mga online sellers natin nowadays, nakikita nyo, saan tambak ang online sellers sa internet. This is your chance to really make big money with that kind of skills that you have. No? You do the direct selling, buy the products at 50% less, you sell it at SRT, or even you can mark up if you want up to how much you want to sell that product or those products. So, kasi po, exclusive distributor ka dito ng company. The products will not be available anywhere else. We are only the one who will be distributing the products of the company, the distributors ng Winners Life. Ayan po. Taas lang natin ng konti. Next, if you are not into selling, kasi may mga tao allergic sa selling po, di ba? May mga ganun. Makarinig lang ng product, no? Iniisip, benta-benta, takot na akala mo, nakakita na ng multo. Well, I'm one of them, guys. I don't like selling. Siguro kaya nga hindi yung market yung kinuha kong kurso. Pero the reality is, everything that we do, we are selling. Unless maintindihan mo to. When you applied for a job, you are actually selling yourself. Do you understand that? Diba? Lahat ng mga credentials, lahat ng mga pwedeng makita sa iyo, sasabihin mo, you are selling yourself. So everything in life is basically selling. But again, let's go to the point na talagang ayaw mo yung benta-benta. Hindi ka ganyan klaseng tao, mahihayin ka. It's okay. Because in our program, you will surely have all the chances to really make big money. Okay? How? Okay, guys, let's proceed to the next income potential. This is what you call the referral system. So, in referral bonuses, okay, sabi ng company, all you need to do is share the opportunity. Di mo kailangan magbenta, ang kailangan mo lang i-share. Like what we're doing right now, simply share this video presentation to anyone, your friends, relatives, anyone you know, no, sa internet, sa online, sa Facebook, okay, sa Instagram, sa Twitter, kung ano man mga social media meron ka dyan, you just need to copy the link and share it to your friends. Let them watch the presentation without commitment. Magustuhan nila, and that will be the start of making your organization grow. Okay? So, why? The moment na i-share mo tong video na to, na sa kahit kanino na gusto mong tulungan na mabago rin kinabukasan, okay? Ang mangyayari po, pag nagka-interest po sila, bibili rin po sila ng package. Mamaya, I will be telling you on how to do the purchase, yung process po ng pagbili at pati ng pagkuha ng mga commissions natin. Okay? But this is how it works. So, the moment na bumili ng package, okay, you have helped the company sell the package by sharing the link, the opportunity, the presentation that I'm doing right now. Hindi ko nagpapaliwanag. Remember, ako, ang ginawa mo lang i-share itong negosyo na to sa mga gusto mong tulungan din na umasenso. Okay? So, example, niyaya mo si friend A, niyaya mo, shinare mo yung link na to, sumali rin siya, bumili rin siya ng package natin, which is only 2,500. Upon encoding in the system, you automatically will see, or it will automatically reflect in your e-wallet. Alright? Yung 200 pesos direct referral bonus. Yan. So, ilan po yung pwede kong maiyaya or ma-share yung business with? Okay? Ilan yung pwede kong pagsendan dito? It's actually unlimited. It's up to you how many people you would like to help. Alright? So, you can refer as many as you want. With just one click, you can send it to many people, and for sure, meron at merong makikita to at magugustuhan sa sali at makikipagtulungan sa iyo para umasenso sa kinabukasan. Okay? So, 200 po for every referral you make. Remember, you are being paid because you are not recruiting people. You are being paid because you are helping the company sell the products. And all you need to do is just copy, paste, or share the link. That's easy, okay? And this is the start of making your dream income. Why? The next slide will show you what we call the pairing bonus. Ito po yung tinatawag nating binary or pairing bonus. Ang requirement lang po natin dito to start making money in this bonus is simply look for at least 2, okay? At least 2 people that you'd like to help. At least 2 people na capable din ng 2.5, at least 2 people na may pangarap din sa buhay. At least yung 2 tao na gustong maging healthy. Okay? Maging healthy kasi yung package po natin, karamihan po dyan, di ba? Para sa katawan, sa kalusugan. And we all know that prevention is always better than cure. In fact, most of the products that we have, hindi lang po siya talaga pang-prevent. Okay? Mamaya na lang, tsaka natin pag-usapan yan. But this is the rule here. You need to have at least 2 direct to start earning the 220 pairing bonus. Ano po yan 220 pairing bonus na yan? This will be given to you every time you have a pair or match sales on your left team and right team. Kasi magkakaroon ka po dito ng left counter and right counter. Yan po. Okay? Look at the screen, guys. So the moment may niyaya kang tao, for example, niyaya mo si Pedro, bumili ng package, may 200 pesos ka, direct referral bonus. And then niyaya mo again yung isang friend mo, let's say this is Anna. It's another 200 pesos. Referral bonus for you. Remember, ang nagpaliwanag ako, i-share mo lang yung video, wala kang ginawa kundi nag-share lang ng video ko, ng link. Is that right? Yes, as simple as that. And then once na nagustuhan nila, no, let's coordinate and then we will help you know how to process yung pagbili niya ng package and pag-encode dun sa system. And that's it. Wala kang gagawin. Actually, mag-share ka lang. Okay? That's the new level of selling. It's called sharing. Alright. Now, sabi dito, on top of your direct referral, you will be paid an additional bonus called the pairing bonus. Ang ibig sabihin ng pairing bonus, the moment nakita po ng system natin in real time, okay? Hindi po ito mag-pair siya ngayon, bukas mag-a-appear yung income mo. No, pagka-pair na pagka-pair, in real time mag-a-appear po agad yung income. And that is the 220 pesos. So in this scenario, meron kang one left sa left group mo, no? Meron kang isa dyan na counter 1 mo, may counter right ka, counter left, di ba? So pag nagpares po yan, that's the 220 pesos. So in totality, direct referral plus the pairing bonus, dito po ang kinita mo 620 na pesos agad. And the good news, dahil nag-comply ka, di ba? Sabi nga, nag-comply ka. Di ba? Sumunod ka sa batas. So, congratulations because upon completion ng at least 2 direct, automatically lalabas po yung encashment button sa e-wallet. It simply means that you can now encash your commission. Kung ano nakikita mo dyan, yan po, buo yan. What you see is what you get. Automatic po, it will be directed into your bank account if you have a bank account. Okay? At if you don't have a bank account, you can request the system to send it to you via mga remittance center natin dyan. Emily Villiers, Cebuana, Palawan Express, etc. Marami pa, Western Union. So, everything is in a very convenient state. Kaya, wala kang dapat problemahin dito. Kahit saan sulok ka man naman doon. Okay? And the good news is this, guys. The moment yung tao mo nandyan na, okay? So, these people, let's be realistic. One of the most important thing to consider, people join you not just because we have good products. People join you because they also see the opportunity that can change their lives. So meaning to say, these people will also share it with others. And it's normal for us to share good things to other people, right? When you see a movie na gusto mo, kukwento mo nga agad yan eh. Kahit hindi ka naman kikita sa pinagkwentuhan mo, kahit pinanood niya yung kinwento mo. Okay, kumita yung sinahan, hindi ka naman kikita ron. But you are doing it because you're just happy doing it. Right? So, let's say for example, si Peter, shinare niya ngayon sa ibang friends niya, sa kaibigan niya. Hindi nga siya nag-present, nag-share lang din siya katulad ng ginawa mo. Okay, simply share the link, copy, paste, share. Ganun lang kasimple negosyo to. Nakakuha din siya ng isang sa right niya, nag-comply din siya. Kikitain niya rin katulad ng kinita mo, guys. As well as, ganun din yung ginawa ni Anna, for example. Kikitain din ni Anna katulad yung kinita mo. Alright? But let's go to the point na, sige, don't mind other people's business. Okay? Ang titignan mo yung negosyo mo. Pero of course, you will be helping these people. Okay? So, pag-usapan natin yung income mo. Huwag mong pag-usapan yung income nila. Karapatan nila yan. Karapatan nila yan. Okay? Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, ikaw. how much are you going to make here? No, the moment na unti-unti lumalaki yung organization mo. So in this scenario, yung unang binayad sa'yo, 1 left, 1 right mo, kumita ng 620. Effort mo yan. That's fair. Alright? Pero the next income that will happen to you, wala ka na pong effort. And this is amazing. Why? Because these people will be doing the business for their own benefit, but you will actually be also benefiting from that effort na gagawin nila. Why? The system says, sabi ng sistema po, wala siyang pakialam kung effort mo yan o effort na yan ng mga tao ng tao mo. Okay? As long as nasa ilalim siya ng organization mo, meron kang left counter at saka right counter, basta everyone on the left counter and one on the right counter, i-prepare niya, imamatch yan, may 220 pesos ka. So this is another left and right. That's another 220. Now you have a total of 440 new income in the pairing bonus on top of yung nauna mo kanina. So let's continue. Let's say for example, gumalaw na naman tong tao na to, hindi na natin kilala yan. May 200 siya, wala tayong pakialam doon. Basta ikaw may panibagong isa sa left at yung kabila may gumalaw na naman. Kikita siya, wala tayong pakialam sa kita niya. Basta ikaw may panibagong 1 sa right. Dahil sa bawat 1 left at 1 right mo, ikaw may 220. Malinaw po ba yan? Again, ito yung maganda. Ngayon, lalo ka na-excite. Of course, you don't only know at least 2. You know more than 2 people. Tama? And because of that, I assure you, you will refer more people sooner or later. Why? Because mas masarap mag-share lalo ngayon may pruweba ka na ikaw mismo kumikita na wala ka na ginagawa. Minsan, yung mga bagay na ayaw natin gawin, it will come to us simply. No? Naturally. Why? Minsan ayaw mo namang gawin pero dahil may resulta nangyayari sa'yo na wala ka nang ginagawa, lalo kang magkukwento. Ganyan ang Pilipino. Ganyan ang tao. Okay, now that you start sharing it to more people, ang problema mo, saan mo ngayon ilalagay ang tao na yan? Eh may laman na yung left and right mo. This is the good thing about the program. You have no choice but to give these people to help other under your organization. Why? Wala ka nang paglalakan. Wala ka nang choice. Ibabato mo yan sa ilalim ng nasa ilalim mo. Let's say for example, eto ibinato mo siya dun sa dulo sa ilalim sa left group mo. Yan. Alright? So natulungan mo ngayon yung tao na yun. Pero ang good news, effort mo yan, yung income sa'yo po mapupunta, yung 200. Kasi effort mo yan eh, direct referral bonus mo yan eh. So the good news about that person naman, paparisan niya na lang yan, okay? May direct referral siya at paparis yun sa kanya, kikita na rin siya. Kaya lang, hindi niya pa makiklaim yun kasi wala pa siyang at least 2. Remember, may batas, at least 2. So wala siyang choice, kundi tulungan din, yung binato mo sa kanya, babatuhan niya rin ng tao yun sa ilalim. So you see guys, this is a helping business system. Okay? Whether you like it or not, tutulungan ka at matutulungan mo rin yung mga tutulong sa'yo. Okay? Tutulungan mo rin yung mga tao na itinulong din sa'yo. Ganun siya kaganda. Again, huwag natin pag-usapan yung magiging income nila. Let's talk about your income. Sa kabilang counter mo, may gumalaw na naman. So that means may waiting kang 2 sa left counter, may dumagdag na isa sa right counter, makikita ng system, that's another pair for you. That's 220 pesos. And again, may isa na lang na waiting. Ito po yung isang waiting. Nandito po yung isang waiting. Yan, nakikita nyo po yan. Wala pa yung kapares. So the good news is, pag gumalaw naman yung isa sa kabila naman, yan, may ginalaw do, may gumalaw do, may nag-refer, may nag-share ng link. Pumasok, bumili rin ng package. Eh, may waiting ka dito sa kaliwa mo. Right? So, kung may pumasok na bago sa kanan, makikita uli ng system yan. In real time, ipapares niya uli yan. That's 220 pesos, guys. So, ano nang ginagawa mo? The good news is, wala ka nang ginagawa very soon. Okay? Eventually, you will be amazed of making 220 ng 220, ng 220, ng 220, ng 220, ng 220, ng walang katapusan 220. But of course, let's consider the company. Kung wala nang katapusan ang pagbabayad ng kumpanya, bukas ang kumpanya hindi mo na makikita. So, there is a safety net for the company. For us to be very stable and for your business to grow, no, for a lifetime. Okay? So the company can only pay a maximum of 30 pairs. There will be unlimited packages in your organization that will happen, but there is a limit the company can pay us per day. Malinaw po tayo doon. So 30 pairs per day lang po. 15 sa umaga, 15 sa hapon ang kayang bayaran ng company. So let's compute that. If you're going to be paid 220 per pair, 30 pairs per day, 6,600 pesos po araw-araw ang pwede natin kitain. Malinaw po ba yon? Is that good enough for you? Of course, hindi mo po mapupulot sa kalye. And that's an amazing. It's not a small money, guys. Per day. Why? How many days do we have in a month? Times 30 million 66. 30 days na lang. It's 198,000 pesos po. Buwan-buwan. Ang tanong, ano ba ang hiningi namin sa'yo? In fact, yung 2.5 mo, sobra-sobra pa binalik sa'yo. Tama? And now, we don't even ask for your credential. We didn't even ask if you are a graduate. We did not even ask. We did not even ask if you are if you came from a reputable school. If you don't even ask what you look like, we don't even ask, no? Anong height mo? Wala kaming hinahanap sa'yo dito. Ang kailangan lang namin dito, tinatanong lang namin sa'yo, may pangarap ka pa, gusto mo bang umasenso? And with that 2.5, sabi nga sa commercial, saan aabot ang 2.5 mo? Eto na, let's continue. That's 198,000 pesos per month potential per account, guys. Per account. Why? A single package is equivalent to one account. Later on, you will understand what I mean. So let's continue. I want to show you the reality. Let's reality check, guys. So, paano ba kasigurado na mangyayari sa akin yung 2.5 ko na ganyan nakikitain? Look, guys. Let's take a look at the 3-month projection. I have created the 3-month projection for you to really understand that this is doable, achievable, attainable. Okay? Let's say, for example, this is your account online on our company's super high-tech system. Okay? You now have your left and right sales team. Assuming 3 months is 12 weeks po yan. Okay? Because we have 4 weeks in a month. So, in 12 weeks time or 3 months, ito po kunyari yung scenario natin. Sabihin natin na medyo busy ka. You're just doing this for like sideline, part-time. Let's say, for example, 2 tao lang ang nakuha mo sa loob ng 1 linggo. Yeah. It's, actually very conservative. Why? You can get these 2 people in 1 day, even in a couple of hours, if you really want to, because we're only talking of di ba? 2.5. In fact, there are people na kahit hindi mo nga sabihin kung ano negosyo yan, tapos 2.5 lang ang pinag-uusapan, baka bigyan ka lang agad ng 2.5 dyan, tumahimik ka lang sa pag-i-invite sa kanya. May mga ganun tao. Lalo na yung mga kaibigan, pamilya. You get to, look for at least 2 people. And let's say nga, busy ka, inabot ka ng 2 tao na yan sa 1 linggo. Hindi mo nagawa ng ilang oras, hindi mo nagawa ng 1 araw, nagawa mo 1 linggo pa ang tagal. Okay? And the other scenario is this, no? Ginaya ka lang ng mga tao mo, tuturuan mo lang din sila na gawin lang din yung ginawa mong katamaran. Okay? Worst scenario, huminto ka pa after mo maturuan sila na kailangan ituro lang din nila sa mga tao nila. So let's see what will happen. Look at this, guys. Sa unang linggo mo, ito na po yung 2 tao mo. 1 left and 1 right. 200 direct referral. Pairing ng 220. Total income mo is 620. Okay. Given na po yan. And I would say, baka hindi ka pa masaya dyan. Why? Payaman. Yayaman tayo. 620 1 linggo. My goodness. Diba? So, hindi ka medyo ma-impress dyan. But let me tell you, walang malaki nagsimula ng malaki agad. Okay? Ang good news, meron tayong system that eventually, maniwala ka sa akin, you will really be like amazed. Okay? Why? These 2 people, pag ginawa din nila, katulad yung ginawa mo, naghanap din sila ng 2 nila each. Inabot din sila ng 1 linggo para dyan. So, unang linggo nila yon, 2nd linggo mo naman. Wala ka nang ginawa, may 2 pares ka, guys. You have earned 440 pesos. Baka lalo ka pa ma-depress kasi kanina, last week 620, ngayon 420 na lang. Guys, last week nag-effort ka. Ngayon, wala ka ng effort. Tama? Ito good news. And that is the beginning, okay, of your dreams coming true. Why? Yung dalawa-dalawa, ginaya yung mga ginawa ninyo. Kumuha ng Tigalawa, kikita ka ngayon sa pairing bonus mo ng 880. Kumuha ng Tigalawa yung mga bagong tao na yan, wala ang ginagawa, meron kang 1,760. Pag kumuha ng Tigalawa yan, meron kang 3,500 and so on and so forth. At bawat isa kumuha ng Tigalawa sa loob ng 1 linggo nila. Sooner or later, you will be like, oh, why is it that on the 9th week at the 12th week, bakit puro 46,200 na lang? Guys, ano bang ginawa mo? Choosy ka pa? Wala ka nang ginagawa. Every week, meron kang 46,200. Now, let me explain to you why that happened. Okay? Kasi isa lang po yung account mo, isang package lang po yan. If we are going to be paid 220 per pairs times 30 pairs per day, that's 6,600 po per day. In 1 week, 7 days po lang tayo. Ewan ko lang kung ilang araw meron ka sa isang linggo mo. Welcome to planet Earth, ladies and gentlemen. We only have 7 days in 1 week. So, 6 per day times 7 days. Kaya 46,200 po per week yun. So, yung 6 per day times 30 days naman, doon po papasok yung 198,000 per month po natin. Well, the good news is this. Ito po yung maganda. Wala ka nang ginawa dyan. 2.5 lang. Bumalik sa'yo product sobra-sobra. Ginawa mo lang tong trabahong tamad na to in 3 months time. Let's compute. You have earned a total of 241,000 pesos 300. Guys, 241,300 pesos. Anong ginawa mo in 3 months? Isn't it amazing? Naiintindihan mo? Look at that. Ito yung pinakamaganda. Ang point ko lang, 3 months pa lang po yan. Well, do you think after 3 months, these people will stop doing it? Ano na ngayon mangyayari sa 4th month mo? Meron ka ng mga tao na katulong na gumagalaw sa ilalim mo, na nag-share ng mga links ng mga pages natin, ng mga naiintindihan mo? Ang dami na. In fact, baka yung mga tao na yan, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, baka nasa ibang bansa pa. So, darating yung pang 4th month mo, pang 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, pang years, dadating po yan. So, wala ka nang ginagawa. You are now making 198,000 pesos per month. But that's not the most exciting part here. The most exciting part, guys, is yung mga pangarap na pinapangarap mo na hanggang ngayon ay pangarap pa lang. This time around, magiging totoo na po siya. Why? Look, guys, listen. Dito po may rewards program po tayo. Rewards, ibig sabihin, gift, libre, bigay ng kumpanya, bukod sa kinikita mo. Imagine mo maka 10 pares ka lang. No time frame, 10 pares. Tama? May libre ka pong bags. Kung marami kang packages, maraming bags po yan. Kasi 1 package, 1 account. 3 packages, 3 accounts, 3 bags po yun. 7 packages, 7 accounts, 7 bags po yun. 15 packages, 15 accounts, 15 bags po yun. Nakuha mo ba? Hindi lang po yan. Simula pa lang po yan. Because as your organization starts to grow, the more payers that is happening into your account, the bigger the income plus the rewards are coming your way on top of these bags. Okay? Maka-reach ka lang without time frame ng 200 payers. Guys, kasama ka sa travel incentive ng company. Libre! At pag umabot ka pa ng another 300 pairs, mayroon kang pan-down payment ng kotse if you want. Sabi ng company, kaya mo na, kumikita ka na, kaya mo mag-monthly, mas maganda, magka-kotse ka para mas madali ka makapag-share, makita ng mga ibang tao na talagang may nangyayari sa negosyo mo. Okay? Sasagutin ng company yung pan-down payment mo. Bahala ka na sa monthly mo. But again, there are people who doesn't like to have mga monthly obligation na meron siyang binabayaran sa bangko na amortization. Well, I have a good news for you guys. Meron tayong programang pakotse na hindi mo kailangan mag-monthly dahil ibibigay sa ito ng kumpanya libre. How? Listen, umabot ka lang po ng 3,500. 3,500. May kotse ka. Let's compute yung kanina projection natin, conservative. Di pa dito po kumita ka ng 241,300. Let's go back kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo. Look at this, guys. Sa unang dalawa mo, may 620 ka. Umandar. So, sa tingin mo, kailan ka dito nagkaroon ng 10 pares dito sa level na yan? Yan. Diba? Kasi 8 plus 4 plus 2, so 14 na yun, plus yung isa pa, 15 pairs na po yan. Ang kailangan mo lang sa bag is 10 pares. So dito, kumita ka na ng mga income na yan, meron ka pang bag. And as your organization keeps on growing, guys, no? Dito, nagkaroon ka na ng 32 pairs, 64 pairs, 128 pairs in this level. Yan, guys, tignan mo, 128 pairs po yan. Sa level pa lang na yan. Yung mga nasa taas pa po niya, i-add natin. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So lahat ng nasa left counter mo tsaka lahat ng nasa right counter mo pataas, lagpas po yan ng 200 pairs. That's why on top of your income, kasama ka sa travel ng company. Yan. So ituloy natin yung kaninang trabahong tamad na pinagagawa mo. So after that level po, or months or weeks, di ba? 256 pairs, 512, 1,000 plus pairs, 2,000 pairs. So pag samasamahin mo yung left counter tsaka yung right counter na bagong mga na-produce na mga pairs dyan, lagpas po yan ng 3,500. No? To be exact, nasa mga 3,800 plus po yan. Hindi ba po yung brand new car, Mitsubishi Mirage, fully paid for free, will be given to you if you achieve 3,500 pairs? Eh di po ba lagpas-lagpas po ng 3,500 pairs yan? In totality, meron nga ditong 4,000 pairs eh. 4,000 left sa counter mo, meron kang 4,000 sa right counter mo. So lagpas ka ng 3,500. On top of yung mga nakuha mong advance na mga kaninang incentives or rewards, automatically dito po, yan, kumita ka na ng 241,300, meron ka pang brand new Mitsubishi Mirage. Guys, congratulations. Maganda. Imagine mo, nangyari lang to sa'yo in 12 weeks, 3 months. Could you imagine 3 months meron kang brand new car? Sabihin na natin, hindi mo nagawa yan ng 3 months kasi isang linggo yung mga level na yan. Sabihin natin yung 2 tao, hindi mo nakuha ng 1 linggo. It took you 1 year. It took you 1 month para makuha yung 2 tao at bawat tao mo ginawa yan. So every month nangyari itong mga to. In 12 months or 1 year, may brand new car ka. It's not bad, guys. Fully paid, brand new Mitsubishi Mirage in 12 months. Hindi na lang 12 weeks, 12 months po. Do you understand? Do you get where I'm coming from? Maraming tao nangangarap magkakotse sa pagiging empleyado hanggang sa nagretiro, hindi po nagkakotse. Hindi ko nilalahat ha. Sabi ko, maraming tao. Maraming tao hanggang sa namatay, hindi nakasakay ng kotse. Yung iba po nakasakay ng kotse, sad to say, nung kailan patay na. Nakahiga, may kortina at ang bagal ng takbo ng kotse niya. I don't want you to get into that point. Guys, masarap, may kotse boy ka, hindi patay. Okay? So dito, 12 weeks, 12 months, okay? 1 year, it's not bad. And take note, this will not stop there. You have just begun. Why? Pag dumami pa yung mga pairs ng packages dyan po, guys, ito po yung isa pa. Mayroong kaming promo. Yung 3,500 nakuha mo ng 6 months or hanggang December 5. Kanina pinakita ko sa iyo. Let's go back to this, di ba? Kanina ito 3 months lang po 'yan, no? 3,500 na hit mo na. Pero kung hindi lang 3 months no nangyari sa iyo on or before December 5, meron po kasi tayong promo, anniversary po natin this coming December. So, pag nangyari sa itong 3,500 pairs on or before December 5 of this year, your Mitsubishi Mirage will be automatically upgraded to a brand new pickup truck. Nissan Calibre or other brand, yung Toyota, Mitsubishi, kung ano man yung brand mo, basta worth 1.2 million. Upgraded po yung Mitsubishi Mirage mo. And there's more, guys. On top of your upgrade na kotse, may 100,000 pesos ka pa cold cash to be awarded on our anniversary date. O di ba? May kotse ka na, kumita ka na sa pairing bonus, may kotse ka pa na upgraded, may panggasolina ka pa. Ewan ko hanggang saan makakarating 100,000 pesos na gasolina mo. Of course, hindi mo panggagasyan. Maganda, may pamasko ka, di ba? And even though, guys, even though you did not reach the 3,500 on that specific date, it's okay. Any given time, mangyari pa rin sa iyo yung 3.5, you still get your Mitsubishi Mirage. Wala naman pong deadline yan. Yun po ang kagandahan sa ating programa. Walang mawawala. It will just be waiting for you to be claimed. Hindi katulad sa ibang programa ng ibang kumpanya, pag hindi mo na na-reach to, sorry, back to zero ka. Void na po yung promo nila sa'yo. Dito po, even after 2, 3, 5 years nangyari sa'yo yung 3,500, after 5 years, you get your brand new Mirage. And the good news is this. Nakuha mo na yung Mirage mo, and you now have people working under organization for their dreams, not for you, but still, nagbe-benefit ka. Do you understand the point? Nag-reproduce uli ng panibagong 5,000. Nakuha mo na yung Mitsubishi Mirage mo, guys. Another 5,000, you have another car. Makukuha mo pa rin po yung pickup truck. But let me tell you this, guys. Look at the bigger picture. Ako, ito nakikita ko. This is my opinion. This is my projection. The moment na nakuha mo na yung Mitsubishi Mirage mo, even if it took you 2 years para makuha yung Mitsubishi Mirage mo, I tell you guys, mark my word, it won't take another year. Meron ka uling pick-up truck. Bakit? May mga tao na eh. Mas mabilis na yung reproduction. Dati, mahirapan kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang. So, inabot ka ng 2 years sa Mirage, pero baka ilang months lang, susunod agad yung pick-up truck mo. Imagine mo, 3.5 on left and right. Kumuha lang ng tigdadalawa yung 3.5 na yon. In 1 month, kumuha lang tigdadalawa lang yung 3.5. Ilan yung dalawa ng 3.5? That's 7,000, guys. So, sa isang buwan, yung 3.5 left and 3.5 right mo, kumuha lang ng tigdadalawa nila uli. Another month, no, after mo nagka-Mirage, 1 month after, may pick up ka agad. That's the point. So, dapat na-excite ka. So, lalong bumibilis habang tumatagal, lalong madali mo nakukuha. Baka nga wala pang 1 year. Kuha mo lahat yan. Eh, let me challenge you. Kahit abutin ka pa ng 5 years, it's really worth it. Kasi nga maraming empleyado, 10, 20, 40 years hanggang sa mag-retire, walang kotse. At ito masaklap, walang bahay at lupa. Tama? Guys, good news dito. Hindi lang kotse, hindi yung mga travel, hindi lang mga perks ng mga bags na mga makukuha mo rito. Magkakaroon ka rin ng house and lot mo. How? The moment na reach mo at any given time, no deadline, no time frame, 10,000 pairs lang po, may house and lot ka worth 2.5 million. Hindi po gagalawin yung income mo. This is a reward bigay ng kumpanya sa'yo. Saan ka nakakita ng ganyan? So this is really a life-changing opportunity for everyone who dream of having their own cars, house, and lots. Okay guys, ang ganda. Now, let me give you a secret, a tip on how you can really get these things, no, sooner than what you think later. Guys, why get only one account? If you are serious in doing the business, magnegosyo ka na kahit anong negosyo, sari-sari store nga lang, aabuti ka ng 30 to 50,000 or 100,000. Tama? And sa sari-sari store, I doubt kung magkakotse at magkabahay at lupa ka in that period of time. Right? Magkano kita ng isang candy, piso? Oh, pero mo, ilang candy para makaipon ka pambili ng kotse. Walang leveraging. Right? Pero dito po, di ba? 30 to 50,000 mo. Guys, sari-sari store. I advise you, pag-aralan mo to. Bakit? Dito sa 2.5 lang, isang account po yun. Look guys, 2,500 mo, isang account, sooner or later, someday, kukuha ka ng tao. Ayan, nasasaga po natin yung ingay sa labas. I'm sorry for that. Kasi we're live. Okay? Andito lang tayo sa bahay. Ito masarap sa negosyo natin. At the comfort of our home, we can do everything now. Nothing is impossible because of the technology that we have. Okay? So, ito yung ginawa mo. Isang package, isang account. Kumuha ka ng isa sa left, isa sa right. Aandar yung negosyo mo. Let's say, for example, hindi lang dalawa kakilala mo. Let's say, in this scenario, 4 na tao niyaya mo sa negosyo. Shinare mo yung business. Hundreds of people, 2, 3, 4 lang sumali sa'yo. Okay, lumaki yung organization nila. Wala kang choice. Nagte-30 pairs ka per day someday. So what will happen to your account? You have no choice but to make 198,000 per month. Guys, this is the secret. Ang sari-sari store, 30 to 50,000. What if dito mo gawin yung negosyo kung malaki ang pangarap mo at naniniwala ka na may pag-asa sa pagbabago ng buhay mo? Okay? With the system that we will be offering to you. Instead of 30,000 sa sari-sari store, dito guys, 3 account, hindi even papasok ng 10,000 to. 7,500 lang po to. Sa 3 accounts mo, 7,500, wala pang nangyayari sa'yo, bumalik na yung produkto sa'yo. Sobra-sobra. Tama? Wala ka mang effort. at wala ka pang ginagawa, may kita ka na nga agad dyan kasi direct referral mo na yung sarili mo, may 200 ka, direct referral mo na yung isa sa kabilang side mo, may 200 ka, nagpares ka na rin sa sarili mo, may 200 ka, wala ka pang ginagawa, may 620 pesos cash income ka na po dyan. Eh what if tinrabaho mo na siya, sinimulan mo na siyang i-share sa mga tao? Okay? What if nagsimula ka ng gawin yung negosyo dahil naniniwala ka na talagang malaking pagbabago ang mangyayari sa'yo dito? Look guys, yung 4 na tao, same effort, same number of people, same pagod ang ginawa mo, dito mo rin. Kaya lang dati, isa yung account mo, ngayon 3 yung accounts mo. So ang good news, dito, aandar 3 accounts, 30 per day. Guys, again, 7.5 lang po yan. Hindi 30,000, hindi 50,000. Hindi po to traditional na negosyo. Sa 7.5 mo, wala kang talo kasi may bumalik na agad, sobra-sobra sa'yo. Tapos ginawa mo yung negosyo, ang pwede mong kitain dito buwan-buwan ay hindi 198,000, kundi 594,000 pesos. Close to 600,000, guys. 6,000 pesos na lang kulang, 600,000 na po yan. Buwan-buwan. Naiintindihan mo ba? Ngayon, choice mo na ngayon. Binigyan kita ng idea. Kung magnenegosyo ka ng traditional, 30,000 mo, dito ka na lang sumali, 7.5. Sobra-sobra pa yung 30,000 mo. May sukli ka pang magkano. And this is the potential that will happen to you eventually. Guys, let me share with you the system that we are doing that will really make it faster for you to achieve your dreams. This is what we call the 3x4x3 system. Okay? And this is the income potential of this system. Bakit po tinawag na 3x4x3 system to? 3 packages magsisimula ka. And you create an organization of 3 headers. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng tao sa ilalim mo, i-implement mo. Minimum sa grupo ko, puro 3 headers lang. Okay? In this scenario, 4 yung legs yung grupo mo na i-build rito. So, si A, B, C, D, tiga 3 packages din yung gagawin nila. Yan ang tatargetin mo. In the first month, matarget mo yung 4 na tao na yan. Isang tao lang sa isang linggo po yan na magti-3 accounts. Look for people na merong at least 7.5 na mataas ang pangarap at explain mo to. Wala kang ipapaliwanag. In fact, ako magpapaliwanag sa kanila and you don't even need to get out of your house to meet that friend of yours. All you need to do is share this video and watch. No? Watch party mo together with him or her. Ganun kaganda ang technology ngayon. Guys, wala nang dahilan para hindi ka umasenso. Ang tao lang na hindi aasenso, yung totoong walang ginagawa sa buhay nila. Tamad. Okay? Pero dito, we're just a click away. All you need to do is copy, paste, or share, and that's it. And whether you like it or not, meron at meron sasali. Why? Magtinda ka nga ng isda sa palengke. Maraming titingin, hindi lahat bibili. Pero meron at meron bibili. Just follow the system. It's a process. I tell you, the process works. So what will happen? Yung 4 na tao mo na kumuha rin ng 3 accounts, 3 heads each, okay? Will do the same thing. Kukuha rin sila ng 4 na tao nila, nagti-3 accounts. You're a team of 3 headers club. Okay? So what will happen? First month nila, second month mo, and this will be your income, 10,560. The next month, ang income mo, 42,240. The following month, may 168,000 ka. The following month, may 675,000 ka. The 6th month, kalahating taon, may another 2.7 million pesos ka. Million pesos. Total ng kinita mo sa 6 months na yan is 3.6 million pesos, guys. Naiintindihan mo ba? 6 months, 3.6 million pesos, kinapital mo lang 7,500. Hindi man mangyari sa iyo ng 6 months yan, no? Tanggalin natin yung monthly, gawin natin by level yan. Even if it takes you 1 year to do that, even if it takes you 2, 3, 5 years, 7.5 mo in 5 years, 3.6 million, it's not bad. Naiintindihan mo ba? Guys, ang malupit dyan eto. Na-imagine mo ba kung anong mga qualification ang nangyari dyan sa mga rewards natin? 3 accounts mo. Nag-qualify yan sa 3 bags. Nag-qualify yan sa mga 3 travel. At the good news, automatic qualified dyan po sa 3 kotse. Yung 3.6 million na kinita mo automatic, by that level, nag-qualify na lahat ng account mo sa mga kotse po. Meron kang 3 kotse. So saan ka pa, guys? Kumita ka na ng 3.6 million, 3 pa yung kotse mo. Ang problema mo ngayon, paano mo mamanehuhin ng sabay-sabay ang 3 kotse, mag-isa ka lang? Well, It's a gift. Bigay mo sa pamilya mo. Siguro matutuwa ang asawa mo. Matutuwa ang anak mo. Matutuwa yung girlfriend mo or boyfriend mo. Kung regalo mo siya ng kotse. Kung talagang ayaw mo, pwede mong ibenta. Nandito lang kami. Basta mura. Diba? Negosyo pa rin yan. Guys, ito maganda. Ito maganda. Look, what if 7 accounts mo? Alam mo ba sa 7 accounts, ang capital mo lang dyan is magkano? Magkano lang? 17,500. Mas malaki pa rin yung sa sari-sari store na 30 or 50,000. Pag mag-sari-sari store ka pa, wala kang pwesto, titibagin mo pa yung dingding ng bahay mo. Diba? Business permit pa lang, licenses pa lang, signages pa lang, magkano na? Tapos may rehas yung bahay mo, anong gagawin mo? Ikukulong mo sarili mo. Kailangan bantayan mo yung tindahan mo eh. Kung kailan ka tumanda, tsaka ka naging prisoner. Samantalang dito, yung 17,500, 7 accounts po yan. 7 30 pairs per day po yan. That is 1.3 million pesos every single month. And guess what? 7 bags po yan, 7 travel po yan, 7 Mitsubishi Merityan, 7 pickup truck yan, at 7 houses and lots. The question is when? It's up to you guys. But the reality is, it's already there, waiting for you. Andito lang ako, kunin mo ako. Because walang deadline, walang time frame, hindi mabovoid. Now it's your choice. Go work in your job for 30, 40 years and retire with nothing, or do this business with us. And no, 1, 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years is already a long period of time. And enjoy these rewards. And enjoy time with your loved ones. Be financially free. Mag-isip ka. At huwag ka magdadalawang isip. Bakit isa lang ang isip mo? I'm almost done. I'm already in my last slide. So please listen carefully. This is one of the most exciting program that we have. We have what we call the Unilevel bonus, or let's say, it's a cashback. Yan ang masarap pakinggan. Yung cashback. Pag sinabing cashback, may babalik na cash. Tama? Kasi sa programa po natin, meron po tayong cashback bonus. You can earn actually 30% cashback bonus from your organization, including your personal purchases. Kasi sa bawat bibilin mo, may 10% pong babalik sa'yo. I'm sure bibili ka pa ulit-ulit. Bakit? May discount ka tapos may cashback pa. Tama? At sa bawat binibili ng mga tao mo hanggang 10th level or generation, meron kang 2% sa binibili nila. Our products are highly consumable, effective, and affordable. So, bibili ang tao. Come to realize this, guys. These people used to buy products from SM, Robinson, diba? Grocery stores, supermarkets, drugstores, mga supplements. Okay? These people used to buy from these stores. Sino yung mayaman? Tayo, bili tayo ng bili. Sino yung mayaman? Si Henry C., si Gokong Wei, si Lucio Tan, at yung mga, naiintindihan niyo po? Of course, they deserve that income because may business sila eh. But this time around, simply change your brand and the brand of your people into our brand. Na dati namimili sila sa mga drugstores, sa groceries, ang yumayaman ibang tao ngayon, namimili sila sa Winner's Life, kapartner ka ng Winner's Life. Kasabay ka sa pagyaman ng Winner's Life. Kung dati namimili sila sa SM, sa Robinson, diba? Ang yumayaman yung may-ari. Dito, yung mga tao mo namimili na sa Winner's Life at kumikita ka sa pinamimili nila. May SM ka na, diba? May Robinson ka na. At ang good news, yung branch mo, hindi Pilipinas dahil ang network mo ay buong mundo. Do you understand? At hindi ka naglabas ng milyon-milyon para magpatayo ng SM. Hindi ka naglabas ng milyon-milyon para magpatayo ng Robinson, ng mga supermarket, sa mga drugstore. Ano lang nilabas mo? 2.5 or 7.5 or 17,500 or hanggang 15 accounts, pwede po. Dito may batas lang dito sa cashback. Kailangan lang active ka na consumer. And for you to be considered an active consumer, you have to purchase at least a minimum per month of only 500 pesos. Diyos ko po, ang pamilya gumagastos sa groceries nila 3, 5,000, 10,000, depende pa sa laki ng pamilya. Tama? We only require you here at least 500 pesos. Is that even a maintenance? Eh, yung mga tao mo kayang-kaya. So, this is so realistic, guys. Assuming hindi na lang bumibili ang tao na talagang pang-consumption nila ng per month na groceries. Halimbawa, para lang masabi na nagme-maintain sila, para lang mag-qualify sa cashback. Look at this, guys. Ikaw din, ganun din ang mindset mo. Nakakatawa grupo mo. Nag-maintain lang kayo lahat. Guys, look at this. 10% sa'yo, tagto 2% ka sa mga tao mo. Even if that, no, is the only scenario that you have, you still get a monthly pension of 20,460. Eh, what if hindi lang nagme-maintain yan? What if namimili talaga sila? Kasi maganda yung produkto. What if talagang gusto nila? Kasi gumagaling sila sa mga produkto. Kasi sobrang epektibo tapos sobrang mura, affordable nito. What if hindi lang sila namimili pang personal consumption? What if nagbebenta pa yung mga yan? Kasi galing yan ng Avon, Natasha, Sara Lee, diba? Mga Tupperware. What if? What if online seller pa yan? Naiintindihan mo? What if yung mga tao dyan sa ilalim mo, hindi lang yan sa barangay mo, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, what if mga taga ibang bansa pa yan? Umaga sa ibang bansa, natutulog ka dito, kumikita ka ng porsyento. Natutulog ka, kumikita ka. Sa trabaho, matulog ka, sisante ka. Naiintindihan mo ba? That's the beauty of leveraging. Kaya kung hanggang ngayon, sarado pa rin utak mo sa gantong klaseng negosyo, huwag mong pagtawanan na nag-iimbita sa'yo kasi ang totoong nakakatawa ay ikaw. Hanggang kailan ka magtatrabaho, tirik ang mata, lawit ang dila mo, wala pa rin yung mga pangarap mo. Guys, I have nothing against employment. Don't get me wrong. Okay? Maganda yan, nabubuhay ka dyan, pero mag-isip ka rin. Di ba? Are you worth doing that? Is it worth doing that for the income na nakukuha mo? Okay? Initially, temporary, wala kang choice, okay. Ngayon, idagdag mo to. Na sooner or later, someday, i-full time mo na to. Okay? Tapos, tsaka mo na lang i-part time mo yung ginagawa mo sa trabaho mo. At least, wala kang takot. Bakit? You can even fire your boss. Boss, I quit. You're fired. Di ba? Someday, not today. Okay? Ang mahalaga, you get started. So guys, I'm actually done. I'm almost done. Okay? Ang kagandahan na gusto kong makikita nyo, we made it simple. We made it straightforward, doable, achievable, attainable, so realistic. Why? Tinanggal namin yung mga complications. May nakita ka bang mga ranking? Di ba wala? Di ba sa ibang company? Kailangan mo maging supervisor, manager, star, diamond, director, ambassador, at kung ano-anong kalokohan mga ranggo-ranggo. And the higher the rank, the higher the maintenance. Ang masipag nasa ilalim, napupuyat, napapagod, nagugutom, ang yumayaman lang ay nasa taas. Tinanggal natin dito yan. Dito walang ranking. Kaya nga walang high maintenance kasi walang ranking di ba? Everyone is pantay-pantay. Kung anong pwede namin kitain, pwede mong kitain. So let's have a recap. 15 pairs sa umaga, 15 pairs sa hapon. Walang mga picker. Lahat ng pairing cash, 220. Okay, no other hidden agenda. The only requirement is you need to help at least 2 people. That's it. Sa ating cashback bonus, 500 lang ang maintenance mo. That's it. And you are now entitled to enjoy all the income potentials that we have in the program. So, ganun siya kaganda. I'm done. No other hidden agenda. So, guys, na-excite ako. Now I know. By now, you are also excited. How am I going to get my commissions, my income? Di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, we are very transparent. You have your online account. You can monitor everything. So, the first thing to do is get started. How you to get started? Okay. Pag kumikita ka na rito kasi, may cut-off lang tayo. We are being paid weekly. Actually, daily po, real-time yung payment sa atin ng income pag magre-reflect. Kaya lang nire-release po yung income every week. Okay? Every Saturday ang cut-off, i-click mo lahat ng income mo, Monday, Sunday, diba, hanggang Saturday, i-click mo yon. Tuesday po, makuha mo yung income mo. Diretso sa bangko mo. Or, pwede mo i-claim sa mga Cebuana, Dualier, diba, mga Western Union, etc. Ganun siya kaganda. Ayan po. Pwedeng diretso sa bangko, may bank account ka. And soon, we will have our own Visa debit card. Okay? Pwedeng dyan na i-direct yung ating income. Well, guys, I'm done. I tell you guys, coordinate with the person who invited you. Ask him questions that you don't really understand, clarifications. Huwag mo itatanong sa mga hindi nakakita. kasi wala naman silang alam, doon ka magtatanong. Ang ituturo sa'yo kamangmangan, di ba? So, choose your package. Purchase the package. How do you purchase the package? If you have a branch in your area, simply go to the branch ng Winner's Life. Okay, doon ka bumili ng package mo. At least kaliwaan, nakuha mo yung products mo sa 2.5 na nilabas mo. Sobrang bumalik sa'yo. But if you don't have a branch yet in your area, simply deposit directly to the company's account. Ito po yung account ng company. Pakita ko sa'yo. Yan po. And then upon verification na nakapag-deposit ka sa amin by sending us the deposit slip via email or messenger, meron po tayo dyan support system. Okay? Then we'll process your purchase and the application para ma-encode ka na rin sa system. That's it! As simple as that. Welcome to Winner's Life. Alright? So, simple lang. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng nakita mo. Kaya lang, kung hanggang tingin ka lang, hindi ito mapapasaya. So, it takes a single step to get to your destination. Huwag mo siyang tigan. Don't just stare. Don't just stand there. Diba? You take action. Maaring hindi ka agad-agad maniwala. Okay lang yan. Normal yan. Tao ka eh. Pero tanggalin mo yung duda mo. Kasi hindi mo malalaman ng pagkain kung masarap o hindi mo titikman. Right? Hindi mo malalaman siya sabi namin kung totoo o hindi, kung hindi mo susubukan. But I tell you guys, proven na to, marami na kumikita. At excited na kami, di ba? Malapit ng marami na magkakotse at sariling bahay at lupa nila. At sana kung sasabay ka, nagsisimula pa lang kami, isa ka doon na makikinabang at mag-enjoy ng pera. Tanggalin mo yung takot mo. Dahil, I tell you, 2.5, di ba? Hindi mo ikamamatayan kung mawala sa'yo. And the good news is, wala namang mawawala. Dahil paglabas mo pa lang ng 2.5, may nakuha ka ng produkto kapalit sobra-sobra sa nilabas mo. So, anong dapat ikatakot mo? Alam mo anong totoo nakakatakot? Bigyan kita ng tip. Ang totoong nakakatakot maging mahirap. Oo, wala kang pera ngayon. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin, wala kang gagawin. Alam mo nakakatakot? Wala ka nang pera, wala ka pang gagawin. Bakit? Kasi walang mawala sa'yo, pero wala rin magbabago sa'yo. Pinanganak ka mahirap, hindi mo kasalanan. Pero pinakitaan ka ng pagyaman, namatay ka pa rin na mahirap, kasalanan mo na yan. Guys, lahat ng bagay pwede mabago kung aaksyonan mo. So, tanggalin mo yung takot sa isip, sa puso mo. Takot, it's only in the mind. Okay? Huwag ka matakot. Huwag ka matakot mag-try. Matakot ka, hindi mag-try. Last, tanggalin mo yung pride mo. Pride. Bakit ka may pride? Architect ako, engineer ako, lawyer ako, doktor ako. Hindi ko yan linya. Produkto, benta, invite. Ayoko niyan. Guys, kung ikaw na nagtatrabaho ngayon, kung ano man yung trabaho mo, kung ano man yung position mo, hindi ko alam. Pero ito sabihin ko sa'yo, paano ka napasok dyan? Di ba nagpa-recruit ka rin? Di ba nagpa-invite ka rin? Paano ka napasok dyan? Di ba binenta mo sarili mo? Nag-submit ka ng mga credentials mo? Di ba namuhunan ka rin dyan? Anong pinuhunan mo? Di ba nagpa-medical ka? Di ba nagpa-NBI clearance ka? Nagpa-barangay clearance ka? Lahat ng kung ano ng clearance, di ba? Bakit ka nila hihingan ng mga clearance? Kasi wala silang tiwala sa'yo. Dito guys, hindi ka namin kailangan hanapan ng ganyan. Kasi naniniwala kami sa'yo. Naniniwala kami sa pangarap mo. Naniniwala kami na mangyari mga pangarap mo. Pagtutulungan natin ang pagsenso. Sana matauhan ka. Kung hindi ka pa, di ba, gising sa katotohanan. So, magkita-kita tayo. I want to see you with us on top. Please. Okay? Kung hindi mo to gagawin para sa sarili mo, gawin mo to para sa pamilya mo. With that, maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. Once again, good morning mga ka-winners, Zone Visayas at Mindanao at sa buong mundo. Once again, please, hindi pa rin po tapos ang ating pandemic. It's always to be better na preventive tayo kesa yung magkasakit tayo. Take our supplements, patronize our own products. Okay? Do the business, share the blessings. Blessing. Nabibisaya na ako. Share the blessing, guys. Okay? Stay home. Stay safe. And God bless you all. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.